Hi everyone, today we are going to do a quick tidy up of my entire house. There's one room that when you see me take stuff out of another room and kind of pile it somewhere, it's going in that room. That one room is my room. So we're not going to clean my room today, but we're going to tidy up all of the other ones. This room is my granddaughter's bedroom. She stayed here over the Christmas holiday for a little bit and made her bed, cleaned her room up before she packed to go to Florida to visit her dad for a week. I'm going to remove all of the Christmas decor from each one of these bedrooms too. I'm not taking down my Christmas decorations yet. I'm just moving them into the dining room, so that when I do take them down, they're all in one central location and I can just quickly put them all away. Moving on to my guest bedroom slash nail room slash baby's room where she sleeps. I actually took the time to do my nails over the Christmas holiday. They lasted for exactly one day. I used to make time to do them every day, like every single day of the week. I would do my nails, sometimes more than once a day, but I don't have time for that anymore, mostly because I just don't make the time. As you can see, this room was not super messy. It doesn't really ever get super messy. It just needs tidying like the rest of the house. I did the same thing here that I did in all the other rooms. I'm just moving out all of the Christmas decor and the things that don't belong in this room, and I'm taking them to the room that they do belong. This is the hall bathroom that's across from the room I was just in. I don't use it very often, so I don't show it on camera very often, but on this particular day, my daughter and granddaughter had been here and everybody used the bathroom to shower and get ready and all of those things, so I'm just moving everything out back into the room where it belongs. Some of these boxes have been sitting here since Christmas. That one's a little bit heavy. And some of them were my Amazon subscribe and save. The IKEA box in the back is 2 glass tops for my daughter's dressers that we ordered for her for Christmas. And then that big long box there on the floor is a part for my husband's truck. He bought a new truck over the holiday and has been ordering things to customize it, and so that was all piled at the front door, and I just needed to get it all out of the way where it belongs to tidy up my living room. I'm just going to do my weekly switch out of the blanket here I put on the couch to keep the dogs, I don't know, dog hair, whatever, from getting all over my couch. A couple weeks ago when I was doing this, I was contemplating whether or not I was going to continue to allow them to get on the couch here because I had ordered them their own couch. The one that I had ordered online was gray, or at least it appeared gray, but the one that I was actually shipped was white. So I had to return it because who makes a white dog bed? That to me is just crazy. I don't have the kind of dog that requires that would work well with a white dog bed. So my choice was white or blue. I'm gonna hold out and see if I can find a different color because I don't want either one of those. As you can see, I still have my Christmas decor up. Normally, I take it down the week sometime between Christmas and New Year's, but to be honest, I had that week off of work, and I just have not been super motivated to take my Christmas decor down. I just wanted to enjoy my week off and have some time to just do nothing, which I did have some time to do that, so it was really great. This closet is one of those closets in my house that I don't really have it organized for optimal use. Right now it's like a coat closet, and it's where I store all of my wrapping paper for birthdays and that sort of thing. So one of my plans is to take everything out of this closet, maybe put some actual shelves in there, and try to organize it a little bit better for storing the stuff that I currently cram in my closet, because right now it just bothers me that it's not really used efficiently. Do you guys have a George Foreman grill? I really love making hamburgers and chicken nuggets, things like that on this thing, but man, it is such a pain to clean. I haven't used it in a really long time, but we pulled that out again this week, and we've been using it a lot for hamburgers, and I've been making chicken nuggets for the baby whenever I have her over, but I just hate cleaning that thing. I know we've all seen the price increases of things over the last year, couple months, whatever the duration of time is that we've been seeing all these increases. These Hippo Sack trash bags I get on Amazon went from $9 to $11 to $22, all within a 3-month period. I just can't believe I'm paying that much just to throw stuff away. You guys, I am so excited about this Tinco floor vacuum mopper thing. I've been seeing it all over the place. Of course, if you watch cleaning videos, you see these like all-in-one vacuum moppers. Man, this thing is so awesome. Like all the hype about all of the mops and vacuums that do the all-in-one thing, they live up to the hype. It was so awesome using this thing. I used it on a very small section of my floor. Now, I had not mopped this floor probably in a couple of weeks. I did it right before Christmas, so I think when I recorded this video it had been about a week and a half, and I did not vacuum on purpose before I used this mop because it's supposed to vacuum for me. I just did a very small portion of my floor here. I did the little square area where my kitchen, stove, sink, and refrigerator are, and then this little part here. I'm telling you, that water you can see as it's moving back and forth. Just that small area, it was so filthy, and I've used this thing probably every 2 or 3 days on my floor to try and get it as clean as possible. But whenever you see this dirty water, you think, man, my floors are disgusting. Maybe it's just my floors that are this disgusting because I've had 3 dogs out here coming in and out. But just when you look at it and you think like how efficient this is versus how I've been mopping my floor, 10 out of 10 recommend. So, you know, whatever model you can buy, even if it's not one like this, definitely recommend this for efficiency and mopping your floors. I made Ileana a little box fort over the Christmas holidays, and she climbs and plays in this little box fort probably more than the toys that she actually got for Christmas. I would like to say over the course of the last week that I've been using my new mop/vacuum that this water has gotten lighter and lighter, but that is not true. It still looks this disgusting every single time I use it. Thanks for hanging out with me today while I tidy up my house. I know that you have a lot of option for watching these cleaning videos, and I do appreciate that you clicked on mine and watched it today. If you like this content, please hit that like button, and if you want to see some more of mine, hit subscribe. I'll see you next week.